Alright, welcome back. It's a beautiful day here in East Africa, Uganda. With us is the Redmi, and this is I think the Redmi Note 8, and we are going to perform a screen replacement on it. And that normally commences with us taking apart the back of the phone so as to start opening it to get into the inside of the phone. Now I need to play around with the adhesive at the back to get us into the phone. And I'll bring my little propyl alcohol for that matter and get ready to perform the operation. So this person got a replacement battery, I don't know for how much. They didn't want to tell me. I had offered to get it for them, but yeah, and that failed. Now we get right there and open that part. Okay. I believe that should be sufficient. Where is my surgical blade? Here you are. So I want to get underneath there. I fear to use heat because this is already a swelling battery, and as such I don't think it would be safe for me to utilize heat. So I decided to risk using a solvent, which when it spills into the screen is also not a nice thing. But anyway, let's still get into it and get this phone working. If you're new here, please do like, and if you're old here, thank you for watching. I mean, it's a blessing to have you here. I don't take that for granted. And we come all the way like that, and okay, sink in some more adhesive. Be careful not to be too generous with it. Don't want it to enter into the internal screens. Okay, so that is there, and then we come like that. I think that fiber. Okay, it's long enough to allow me to flip it around without tearing. So now I get to unplug the starch, and then we are here. So the replacement battery that we got is, I don't know whether it's just too much packaging, but it is unbranded. So this is how it is. I think it has been called fast, and we use it to replace this. So now that means we're going to open the upper segment. Upon opening the upper segment, we should be able to access our battery connector and place this one in. Now first things first, I need to take off the screws that are holding that back plate together, and dive in nicely. Okay, first of the screws, second, third. I don't know why they had to paint them green. Is it to lubricate them or to protect them from rusting? But I've actually never seen a screw rusting inside the phone, not even one with water damage. I don't know, maybe I've not been lucky enough to see one, but alright. Kudos to them for caring to go an extra mile of painting them, perhaps to make it colorful, beautiful to look. I don't know. No, perhaps this metal they use rusts easily. I don't know. Perhaps I might never know. Now my screwdriver decides to act up by falling and running away from me. Not a very good thing to do to someone who hasn't been bad to you. Okay, alright. Now I need to pick the screws because I don't want them going flying when I remove that back. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. That's that. Okay. We're trying to lift this out of place. Okay, so that's that. Disconnect that fiber to expose our battery, and having done that, now I'm going to again attempt to use these pull tabs and see. I've only ever succeeded once. Let me see if twice is going to be. Alright, I think this works too, to provide a surface over which to pass. Alright. Interesting. Alright, I think I'm going to proceed with this by my hand. I broke it. Okay, I guess I should have continued. Okay, so there, rolling it over, but this is more profitable than the other. Okay, right. Okay, so that is done. We may disconnect that, and I would like to expect that this should come off. But remember, the other side we didn't pull everything off, so that entire length didn't come off. So the thing, I think, when you stretch it, loses its adhesive ability. Okay, now we bring our replacement, which is this, and set it 3,900. Okay, now I wonder what this is supposed to be. I think they provided that with it. So they said do not stick the white as tape on battery. Whatever this is, I'm going to use it that way. Alright, so I'm going to put this on the battery like that. Suppose that's enough. And then I'm going to put it in there. So I suppose that's sufficient. Then bring and plug that in. Having done that, bring my connector and that. Okay, now we'll bring this cover and make sure that front locks in like that. So we bring our screws, close the first one, and begin with the extreme edges and then fill in the blanks. Okay, that's for the case if I happen to have fewer screws. So earpiece area, place, and there. Okay, right there, right there. And there. This should be among the last ones. Probably there too. Alright, now we hit the power to see if your batteries come with some charge on them. Okay, we have. Now the next thing is to apply adhesive and then bring the back into place. That's the phone powering on. So you going to put just right on the peripheries. And that should be sufficient for me. All over the end. Okay. Alright. I think that's enough. I need to close my adhesive and then we are good to go. So adhesive closed and put aside safely. Then we bring our fingerprint connector right there and plug it in. Okay, so now start from that side. Alright, okay, then now we bring threads to tie it down so that it stays pressed. And now we are calling it a day in the life of Redmi Note 8, a battery replacement video. Take this moment to hit the like button, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the subsequent videos. Okay, threads are playing tricks on me, but then I only need just a few, which is actually being cut. Alright, see you in the next video.